So welcome back to my channel, guys. As you all know, Ramzan festival is going on, and today I'm gonna go to a place called Darbar Gali in Belgaum and have some delicious chicken. So let's go. So yeah, right now I'm on the way to Darbar Gali. Joining with me are two friends of mine, Pawan and Sufyan. So I'll just introduce you to them in a couple of minutes. So let's go. So today, just for a change, I'm riding this Activa because I'm gonna go into a little crowded place. Hopefully I get to eat some good food today. And also I feel pretty hungry today. A little too much when compared to normal days. So yeah, right now we have reached Darbar Gali. You can see how lit it is. You can see how beautifully it's decorated. And now I need to see a place where I can park my bike. So yeah, that's it. And we're gonna go have some delicious food. So right now we have entered Darbar Gali, and that's my friend Sufyan, and that's Pawan. So right now we are going to go check out some good food that we get to eat over here. I expected it to be a little crowded. I don't know why it's not crowded today. Sufyan, why do you think it's not crowded today?
Due to the timing we have arrived here.
So what is the good time? What is the good time we need to come over here?
Around 11 or 12 p.m.
So you think it will be open by then?
Yes, surely.
Okay. So do you think the stalls are open now?
Yeah, the stalls will be open now.
So let's go. If he says, because I don't come here often and he happens to come here pretty often. So let's go. I was wrong when I said it's not crowded, and now I am into completely crowded area. So right now what you all saw was a sweet called Firni. And today I'm also going to show you a sweet dish which I never knew existed, and it's called Tawakkal Firni. So I'm also going to try it. You can see how beautifully they have decorated all the streets. So right now we are just gonna start with this juice. It's basically Ruh Afza and milk with some basil seeds and watermelon inside it. Yeah, good. And I didn't have enough light. These guys are helping me with the light. So behind me you can see those are perfume bottles. Basically they are also called attar. And they come in varieties of fragrances, and they are also got from different countries. दूसरे country से लेके आते हैं. कहाँ ज़्यादा? ये सब इंडिया के ज़्यादा दुबई से आता है क्या? So these are the bottles, these are the bottles which contain Indian perfumes, and here are the perfumes which are bought from Dubai basically. Okay, so according to Sufyan, I have no much information about this stuff, and according to Sufyan, the best attar is Jannat ul Firdaus. Okay, according to him, that's the best perfume. Apparently it rained quite a bit in Belgaum today. So reason being, all these lights are off, or else it's all completely lit. It's so amazing, it's so beautiful. So right now I'm gonna go start hogging. I'm hungry now, completely hungry. So right now we are gonna have some chicken samosas, which we've ordered. Some chicken samosas. Looks pretty delicious. So we finished eating the samosas, and now I'm gonna eat this tawakkal. This is basically a dessert which is available only during Ramadan. So I didn't know this even existed, so I'm gonna try this now. He says it's the best thing you can eat in Ramzan. Is it? Yes. So right now we are gonna wrap up today's day by having this main course biryani. So thank you for coming, guys. It was all fun. So as always, I'm gonna end off today's video over here. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and please do subscribe in case you haven't. Until then, goodbye.